Welcome to the rise of intelligent ops. Monolithic enterprise backbones are transforming into living, intelligent, and continuously learning ecosystems. Operations are now adaptive engines of value creation, making resilience structural, not just aspirational. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team. We are witnessing a strategic shift from rigid backbones to living ecosystems. The old paradigm was monolithic, prioritizing stability and measuring change in quarters. The new paradigm emphasizes modular, composable systems with continuous learning and change measured in days or hours. Our new enterprise stack is modular by design and intelligent by nature. It's built for composability, with discrete, purpose-built modules that can be independently upgraded. Modularity is the prerequisite for continuous reinvention at scale. Intelligent Ops rests on three core pillars. Modular architecture ensures rapid iteration without systemic risk. Continuous learning refines models with real-time data. Autonomous intelligence utilizes AI agents to execute decisions and coordinate systems, reducing insight-to-action latency to near zero. Intelligent operations are orchestrated, blending human oversight with autonomous AI agents. Human judgment sets strategy and ethical boundaries. AI agents handle the volume and velocity of tasks. This is a new division of cognitive labor, focused on augmented intelligence that amplifies human capability. The design principle is simple. Process is the core. In intelligent operations, process is the organizing principle around which technology is built. Every element is oriented around well-defined processes that encode organizational intent and operational logic. Putting process back at the core involves three concepts. Process is the foundation, where definition precedes automation. Process is the instrument for operational governance, enabling observation and intervention. Finally, process is a living system, continuously evolving through feedback and oversight. The core transformation positions operations as an adaptive engine of value creation. When intelligence is embedded across the operational stack, every function becomes a dynamic value creation engine. Operations transition from being a cost center to a strategic asset. The value of intelligent ops comes from three dynamics. First, speed to insight, compressing decision-ready information from days to seconds. Second, precision at scale, using AI agents for high-volume tasks. Third, structural adaptability, enabling rapid enterprise reconfiguration in response to shifts. Resilience becomes structural, not aspirational. This is achieved through redundancy by design, eliminating single points of failure. Anticipatory response detects risks predictively. Self-healing workflows autonomously correct process issues. All this is secured by governed autonomy, operating within defined risk tolerances. Resilience is not a feature you add. It is the architecture itself. It's built into the core systems, ensuring continuous adaptation and operational integrity. Agility must be engineered, not improvised. Traditional reactive agility is costly and unsustainable. Structural agility, however, is system-driven, continuous, scalable, and compounding in value over time. Modular architecture allows the entire enterprise to flex and adapt. The transformation journey is a deliberate, phased progression. It starts with digitize, modernizing data and legacy systems, then moves to connect, integrating APIs for visibility. Next is automate, implementing rule agents, leading to intelligize, deploying AI for continuous learning. Value is realized at every step. The ultimate promise of intelligent operations is continuous reinvention. When learning is structural and intelligence is orchestrated, the enterprise can continuously evolve its operating model without the need to stop and transform. For enterprise leaders, intelligent ops requires reframing the strategy as a strategic capability owned at the executive level. You must architect for modularity, prioritizing composable architecture. Finally, redesign human roles around judgment and govern proactively with robust governance frameworks. The gap between industry leaders and laggards is widening. Early movers in intelligent operations gain compounding structural advantages, including faster cycle times and superior customer experiences. The risk for those operating on monolithic backbones is becoming structurally unable to compete. The path forward involves three phases. First, assess current architecture to identify high-value transformation entry points. Second, define the target operating model, specifying which processes will be agent-managed. Third, build, learn, and scale, starting with high-impact, lower-risk domains and scaling with confidence. The enterprise of tomorrow is being built today. The rise of intelligent operations is actively reshaping how organizations create value and manage risk. Enterprises that act now with clarity and architectural ambition will define the next era of operational excellence.